What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos. Today, we had a little bit of an unexpected repair pop up. Trying to keep this luscious yard all nice as I do requires some maintenance every now and then. That too involves my mower. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to replace the throttle cable. What happened is it snapped, and well. Yeah, whenever I do that, it likes to move, so I got to come down here and, pull on it and stuff like that. So it's all jammed up. It's kind of fucky. So what we're going to do today is we're going to replace it with one that I got over here from Amazon. So I took the slow boat from Japan or China. So here's just a number that's on it. This might help, may not. So we'll see if this will work. So I had other plans. I wanted to go now work on the Skidoo, and had an idea with the Tahoe that I wanted to try out. But, well, this comes first. So I want to get my yard all ready to go for the summer, more for the kids and for the girlfriend and stuff like that. So let's rip this old one off and see if the new one will fit. All right, folks. Went and got some of the tools of the trade I'm gonna need. I also went and I took the tape off, so you guys can kind of see what I'm working with under here. Yeah, that little doohickey that's in here snapped, that goes through here. So I've been zip tying it in place and all that, because every time I go to pull this, it jams. So I'm thinking maybe the cord could also be, the cable may be jammed up inside too. So, but we'll find out. Hopefully it works. Really, really like this mower. Don't really want to have to buy a new one. So, with being a cripply kind of guy and kind of living on top of a hill, this front wheel assist is absolutely gold. This is amazing. But anyways, let's get this old cable off and see if it's the same length as the new one. All right, everybody, got the old one off. As you can see, got everything taken care of. I went and I re-straightened up this bracket. If you guys seen, it was kind of bent from hitting on shit. So we got all that straightened out. Got the new cable sitting over here. Don't mind the wasp spray. Had a quite big infestation in the old shed here when I went to pull out the inflatable for the kids. So always check before you go in there, especially when it's been wet and hot. So a little bit of advice. Anyways, this cable's all twisty, but I measured them up and they are the same length. So I also noticed that this one doesn't pull through anymore. It's pretty tight, like there's some damage inside. This one's all nice and loosey-goosey. So we should have no problem there. This, as you can see, bust off, right? And it bent and stuff. But I'm thinking it's just because the cable is jammed, because you can see it's kind of frayed in there and kind of shat. So, but this one here, it's a lot better cable, a lot thicker cable. So let's put it on and see if it works. All right, folks, got it all back together. Got everything all straightened up. Got the cable on here. It's a little bit short or longer than what the factory one was. I'm wondering if it's not this cable that they sent me. Instead of the throttle, they sent me the front wheel drive one, just because it is that bit longer. And they are, as you can see, the same kind of nipple deal here. So, but it's still, if you look, we'll pull the throttle. So when I reach back on here, it actually does something there. The other throttle cable wasn't doing nothing. So anyways, I'm going to pass the phone now. Here, it's still recording. To my fucking dumbass hit the button and it's not recording. So let me pass the phone to my lovely girlfriend Kaylee, and let's see if we can actually maybe get this thing to start. Like, I don't know, nothing else has been able to start before. And it's funny because it was just running and she's laughing behind camera. I bet you any money it's out of fuel. Yep, it is out of fuel. Let's give me a second here, see if I have anything. Here, let's do this again. It's still recording, sweetie? Awesome. And of course, again, using True Fuel. This time for 4 cylinders, because, or 4 cycle engines, I should say, because Mower. She was low. Yep, she was empty. Now hopefully it'll run this time. Shuts right off, no problem. One pull. Fires up and good, awesome. Oh, thank you, sweetie. All right, folks, there you go. It ended up working, even though it's a little bit long. The old one's right there. I'm gonna end up just probably hucking that in the trash. So, yeah, got my mower fixed. Now I can go back to cutting some grass. Next video, we're gonna be at the garage working on the skidoo. I got the fuel pump for it, so we're gonna see what we can do there. But till then, I want to again thank my lovely girlfriend for filming that clip. She's been amazing, folks. You probably see her down below in the comment section and stuff, sharing all our stuff. It's been absolutely awesome having somebody like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. Anyways, till next time, guys, take care of yourselves. Love you. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless.